Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's question is odd even linked list. The question says, given a single linked list, group all odd nodes together followed by even nodes. Please note here, we are talking about the node number and not the value in the nodes. You should try to do it in place. The program should run in O(1) space complexity and O(of) node time complexity. We are going with the example. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and if we see 1, 3, 5 which are odd numbers are in the starting, and if you look at 2, 4 which are even are at the end. So this is what we need to do. So let's move on to pen and paper. Let's see how we can solve this question. After that we will see the code.
I have taken an example and the question is asking that we need to form a odd even linked list, and that means that all the odd nodes are in the starting. That means all the odd nodes should be in the starting and all the even nodes should be at the end. So the first question is how to identify whether a given node is a odd or even. So if I write on it, so first node is odd, second is even, third is odd, fourth is even, and same way. But what is the logic behind it? How we can write a code to identify whether a given node is odd or even? For that, if I say that I will take a variable which will contain boolean, and we can say is odd, that will gonna be true initially because we will be starting with odd. So this one is odd. When I will gonna do dot next, I'll gonna turn this true to false. Is odd equal to false. That means when I will come here and if is odd is false, that means the node is even. Okay, so this was first, this was second, and I will turn this to true. So is odd now will become true. So when I did next, I came here and it's odd. Now I come to 4. Again I will gonna change it. Is odd now will become false, and the next element is even, and the same goes on. So what we can write, whenever we will gonna do our next, then we will gonna make our is odd equal to node is odd. That means if it's true, it will become false. If it's false, it will become true. So we are done with how to identify the given node is even or odd. Now let's see how we can get odd in the starting and even in the end. Let's first mark it. So if I start from here, I need these 3 nodes in the starting and these 3 nodes in the end. And now if I say the question is asking us that we need to return 2 linked lists, one of odd and one of even, rather than returning a odd even linked list. Let me repeat it. The question is asking that we need to return 2 linked lists, one for even and one for odd. That means our odd should look like this and our even should look like this. So let's first see how we can solve this question. After that we will come to the odd even question. As the new question is asking that we need to form 2 linked lists, for that we need 2 new heads, and those heads will gonna be equal to odd head, even head. And so now we have our odd head and even head. Now whenever we make a linked list, we need something to traverse through the linked list. So we will make two more pointers which will be equal to 4 odd and 4 even. So these are the two pointers which we will use to traverse through the linked list, and these will be initially equal to list node 0 because we need to initiate them somewhere. So these are my two linked lists for now. So this is equal to odd head, this is equal to even head, and I have 4 odd here and 4 even here. So let's start. I have is odd equal to true because I'm at the first element, and I have my head pointing to 1. So because we need to put this one in front of 0, what I can do, that odd head dot next will be equal to head. Odd head dot next will be equal to head. That means 1 will come here. Now I will gonna point my head to head dot next. Now my head come to 2, and I will gonna change my is node, and now my is node will become false. That means the next element is even, and when the element is even, we need to add it to even linked list. So now my even head dot next will be equal to head, which is pointing at 2 now, and my 4 even will equal to 4 even dot next. So my 4 even will come here, and my 4 head will also come at 1. Now again I'm gonna point my head to head dot next. Now my head will come at 3, and my is node will become equal to true. That means the next element is odd, and if the element is odd, we need to add it to odd. That means my 4 odd dot next will be equal to head. So 4 odd dot next will be equal to head. That means 3. Again I'm gonna point my head equal to head dot next, and I'm gonna turn my is odd equal to false. That means the next element is even. That means we have to add it to the even linked list. 4 even dot next will be equal to head. So 4 will come here. Again I'm gonna point my head to head dot next. So my head will come here, and I will gonna turn my is odd equal to true. That means the next element is odd. That means we have to add it to the odd linked list. So my 4 odd dot next will be equal to head, which is 5, and my 4 head will come here. Again I will gonna point my head equal to head dot next. Head will come here. Again I will gonna turn my is odd equal to false. That means the next element is even. That means I have to add it to the even linked list. So my 4 even dot next will be equal to head, and it will come here 6, and now my 4 end is here. At the end I can point my 4 head equal to none, so it will end the linked list, and I simply can return odd head dot next and even head dot next. That will give me a odd linked list and an even linked list. And if I say we will going to use the same logic to solve our odd even linked list problem, we just need to change one thing. When we are making our 4 odd dot next equal to none, so that it can and the linked list. Instead of this step, I'm gonna change it to for odd.next equal to even head.next. What I'm saying, I'm simply saying that I'm gonna take this linked list 1, 3, 5. Instead of putting none here, I'm gonna take this linked list and put it here. For that, what I can do, instead of for odd dot next equal to none, I will write for odd dot next equal to even head dot next. At the end, I can simply return odd head dot next. So this is the way we can solve this question. So let's move on to the coding part and let's see what is the code for this problem.
So let's see the code. If you look at line number 8, 9, 10 and 11, I formed 4 odd, 4 even, which are equal to list node 0, and I have odd head and even head. And in the starting, our is odd equals to true because we are starting from 1 and the first node is always odd. Because we are not talking about the values, we are talking about number of node. So while head is true, if is odd, then for odd dot next equal to head, and then we will point our for odd to for odd dot next. Else, if the node is even, that means we're going to add it to the even part, for even dot next equal to head, and then we're gonna point for even to for even dot next. And we will keep performing this, and every time I will gonna change my is odd to not is odd, and I will keep incrementing my head to head dot next. Once I'm done with odd and even part, at the end I will simply gonna put for even dot next equal to none so that I can stop my even linked list, and my for odd dot next will be equal to even head dot next so that I can get odd in the starting and even in the end, and at the end I can simply return odd head dot next. So let's see whether it works or not. So here I submitted my code and it got accepted. So this was the code for this problem. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe.